exam a problem every year. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test (NEET) is an exam conducted every year for the students who aspire to be doctors in India. The NEET exam was started in the year 2013. The exam will be conducted all over India in various examination centers. The question paper for the NEET exam will be conducted in 10 regional languages. The NEET exam, a boon or a bane? Like every coin has two sides, the NEET exam has a set of advantages as well as disadvantages. Benefits of the NEET exam: there used to be a separate medical entrance test for each college. This may increase the cost of applying and traveling to the examination centers. The NEET is the common medical entrance test for all the private and government colleges in India. Thus, this makes the entrance test simple and one. Students now are free from the pressure of preparing for various medical entrance tests following various syllabus. This makes students to concentrate only on one syllabus and one exam. As we live in a country with Indians with lakhs of students competing, their schools and educations in the competition for getting into a course is very high. Especially medicine is a branch with a traditional branch of study which gives dignity and satisfaction to doctors. So corruption obviously arises. Elite class people had the practice of buying a medical seat for their ward in private colleges by giving lakhs of rupees. With the advent of NEET, this practice was avoided. People from lower classes of society can also now become doctor because of NEET. This exam increases the quality of this professional degree since most of the students used to memorize the core subjects and get very good marks in their respective board exams and got seats according to their scores. The main drawback here is talented students who understood the subjects but did not have capability to memorize them could not realize their doctorate dream. Since the exam is conducted all over the country on the same date, there increases a chance of improving the integrity of India and increasing the opportunities of backward state people. Proper checking is done before writing the exam increases the fairness and transparency in the NEET exam. There is a recent uncomfort announcement which states that there will be 2 NEET exams per year. If this is true, students could make 2 attempts in a single year and their best score out of 2 will be validated for final counselling. NTA also announced that NEET will be conducted through online mode in the future years. If this happens, then the threat of question paper leak could be avoided. Now moving forward to the cons of NEET. The first and foremost reason that people say against NEET is the nature of questions asked in NEET. NTA focuses only on the CBSE syllabus, which is still a royal class of education for many students. Students of different states with different syllabus could match the syllabus of CBSE and they eventually fail in the exam.